Stop wasting time on tasks that should be finished in minutes. You're watching Tools Inspector, the channel where smart tools replace hard labor. If you want faster results with less effort, subscribe now. Let's get straight into it. Number 1. 9.0 amp angle grinder, KSM 17-115B. This angle grinder delivers serious power the moment you pull the trigger. The 9.0 amp motor spins at 11,800 revolutions per minute for fast cutting and grinding. It slices through metal, concrete, and masonry without bogging down. Dual safety guards improve protection during aggressive cuts. The auxiliary handle adds stability and reduces fatigue. Number 2. Qualihome ribbed plastic drywall anchor kit. Mounting on drywall usually leads to stripped holes and weak holds. Not here. The ribbed anchor design grips tightly and prevents spinning. Screws bite cleanly and stay locked under load. Includes a masonry drill bit for expanded use. Perfect for shelves, mirrors, and wall-mounted furniture. Speeds up installations without wall damage. A small kit that prevents big mistakes. Number 3. SILIGUN Gen 3 Compact Caulking Gun. Messy caulking slows everything down. This gun fixes that. The no-drip mechanism stops sealant waste instantly. Smooth pressure gives clean, professional bead lines. Lightweight ABS frame reduces hand strain. Compatible with all standard 10-ounce tubes. Ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, and window sealing. Faster application with zero cleanup frustration. Makes even beginner caulking look professional. Number 4. Raizi Bevelo Electric Tile Bevel Cutter. Tile edge finishing normally eats up hours. Not with this tool. It cuts precise 45-degree bevels quickly and cleanly. Designed for ceramic tile without cracking or chipping. Eliminates the need for hand grinding edges. Creates seamless corner joints with professional results. Perfect for high-end tile installations. Clean edges save time on corrections and recuts. Especially useful for modern edge-to-edge tile designs. Number 5. AVID Power 5-inch Random Orbit Sander. Sanding large surfaces doesn't have to drain your energy. The 3.0 amp motor delivers steady, controlled power. Variable speed lets you match the tool to the material. Random orbit motion prevents swirl marks. Dust collection keeps visibility clear while working. Ideal for furniture, cabinets, and refinishing. Faster surface prep with smoother finishes. Cuts sanding time almost in half. Leaves surfaces ready for paint or stain instantly. Number 6. Diamond Core Drill Bits Set 10-piece. Drilling into tile is risky without the right bits. These eliminate the risk. Diamond-coated edges cut clean holes without cracking. Multiple sizes handle plumbing, anchors, and fixtures. Beveling bits smooth edges instantly. Works on porcelain, granite, and marble. Saves tiles that would normally break. Precision drilling without wasted material. Perfect for bathrooms and kitchens. A must-have for clean, professional installs. Number 7. Seesii Cordless Impact Wrench WH700. This impact wrench turns stubborn bolts into quick work. Delivers up to 650 Newton-meters of torque for heavy-duty tasks. Brushless motor increases efficiency and tool lifespan. Includes batteries, sockets, and drill bits. Ideal for automotive, construction, and home repairs. Reduces physical strain dramatically. One trigger pull replaces minutes of effort. Makes tire changes and rusted bolts effortless. A serious power upgrade in a compact tool. Number 8. Upgraded Siding Installation Gauge Tools. Siding jobs slow down when spacing isn't consistent. These fix that. Adjustable reveals ensure every board lines up perfectly. Polycarbonate body is tough and lightweight. Compatible with multiple fiber cement siding sizes. Eliminates measuring tape errors. Speeds up installation rows dramatically. Professional results without constant adjustments. Keeps every row perfectly even. Number 9. Moss Remove Brush with Long Handle. Cleaning outdoor surfaces shouldn't wreck your back. The long handle keeps you upright while working. Wire brush and metal blade attack stubborn moss. Perfect for driveways, patios, and sidewalks. Removes growth from cracks easily. No chemicals or electricity needed. Fast cleanup with minimal effort. Ideal for seasonal maintenance. Restores surfaces without expensive pressure washing. A simple tool that makes outdoor cleanup surprisingly fast. Number 10. Outdoor cleanup usually drags on. This blower ends it fast. Delivers powerful 750 CFM airflow. Brushless motor improves runtime and durability. 2-speed modes handle light dust or heavy debris. Cordless design allows free movement. Ideal for patios, lawns, and garages. Quick cleanup without exhaustion. Powerful enough to replace corded blowers. Perfect for daily or weekly use. Great balance of power, portability, and runtime. Number 11. LIVOWALNY Cordless Concrete Vibrator. Poor concrete compaction causes long-term failure. This prevents it. Produces 6,000 revolutions per minute vibration for dense pores. Removes trapped air bubbles efficiently. Compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries. Lightweight and easy to maneuver on site. Improves surface finish and strength. Faster pours with better results. Essential for small and medium concrete jobs. Prevents cracks before they start. A must-have for clean, professional concrete work. Number 12. BGTEC Dry Diamond Drill Bit Set. Dry drilling tile usually causes cracking. Not with these bits. Diamond coating cuts clean without water. Ideal for indoor bathroom and kitchen jobs. Carbide bits add extra durability. Reduces setup time significantly. No cooling water required. Clean holes with less mess. Great for fast indoor installations. Number 13. Goldblatt 8-piece masonry hand tool set. Masonry work moves faster with the right tools in hand. This set includes essential trowels, floats, and groovers. Tools feel balanced and solid during use. Durable materials handle repeated job site abuse. Comes organized in a carrying bag. Ideal for concrete, brick, and plaster work. One kit replaces multiple tool purchases. Keeps tools organized on site. Built for both beginners and professionals. Number 14. Liquid Rubber Waterproof Sealant, 1 gallon. Water damage spreads fast. This seals it immediately. Elastomeric formula stretches with surface movement. Seals cracks permanently on roofs and foundations. Works on metal, concrete, and more. Easy brush or roller application. One coat provides long-term protection. DIY waterproofing that actually lasts. Perfect for emergency repairs. Saves thousands in future damage. Reliable protection you can apply yourself. Number 15. Meite 16-gauge Pneumatic Box Stapler. Packaging by hand wastes valuable time. This stapler speeds it up. Pneumatic power closes boxes instantly. Designed for high-volume cardboard work. Accepts multiple staple sizes. Durable construction handles daily use. Ideal for warehouses and shipping. Turns packaging into a seconds-long task. Great for e-commerce and logistics. Boosts productivity without fatigue. Thanks for watching Tools Inspector. If this video saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more smart tools that do the hard work for you. New videos every week, so stay tuned and keep building smarter, not harder.